welcome to my first video. I'm Mr. Bones. In this video, we will be learning how to fold a heart. So, let's start folding. For the heart, this is what it's going to look like in the end, right here, as you can see. So, yeah, I'm going to start folding now. So first, we want to fold this, the bottom side, up horizontally so that the bottom side meets with the top side. After you're done with that, unfold. Then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to turn it 90 degrees and then, well, yeah, do the same thing. So then we're going to unfold again. Now we take the bottom edge right here up to the middle edge, like so. Now this one we're not going to unfold because it isn't a base fold. I mean, it would be in some cases, but it is not in this model. So now we're going to turn it over. So then we take this corner right here, this bottom right corner, then we take it to we take this bottom edge right here to the middle, forming a triangle so that there's a little triangle here that does not have a pattern on it if you're using one-sided paper. If you're not, just look for a different layer on top, another layer on top of this triangle right here. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just fold it to the middle. And now, after we're done with this, we flip it over. So then, you see this edge right here? Well, we're going to take that edge and then we're going to fold it to the middle. And now we're going to do the same on the other side. Just fold the outer edge, the top outer edge to the middle. So you should have something that looks like this. Now we're going to take the top right corner. We're going to fold it down. So you see how this makes a square? We're going to fold the top right corner of that square down to the bottom left corner, making it a triangle. Then we're going to take the top left corner and fold it down to the top right corner on the other side. Okay, so now you should have a triangle here and then a triangle down here. Now we're going to fold it in half. So basically top edge to bottom edge. Then unfold. Now there's a pocket down here at the bottom. But instead of folding it just normally in half again, we're going to tuck the triangle at the top into the bottom triangle. Now, you know how there are two flaps? One here and then one here? Well, those can be opened up. And you see how it's starting to make a triangle shape? Well, we're going to push it down and make it a creased triangle shape. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. So open it up and then push it down. Now, once you're done with that, we are going to do this. So you're going to take the top right corner and fold it down. And then we're going to take the top left corner and fold it down. And now, if you're trying to get it like really perfect, you're going to have somewhat of a triangle, like a really good triangle. For me, it's just going to be two edges. So we're going to fold the two edges, or the tip of the triangle, the tips of the triangles down, like so. Then, when you flip it over, you have a heart. And now we're done with the heart. Hope you had fun watching this video. Bye.